101 species in genus Buxus. October 14th. Buxus. Buxus, the boxwood, represents October 14th. Buxus symbolizes structure and resilience. You provide stability and direction to others. Like its evergreen nature, your guidance is steadfast. The enduring allure of boxwood, a personal exploration. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the quiet strength and understated elegance of boxwood. These evergreen shrubs, belonging to the genus Buxus, possess a timeless quality that transcends trends and fads in the gardening world. Their versatility, resilience, and rich history have captivated me for years, and I find myself continually fascinated by their subtle beauty. A diverse family with a shared heritage. The Buxus genus belong to the Buxaceae family, comprises around 100 species, each with its own unique characteristics and charm. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While boxwood is often admired for its aesthetic appeal, it also boasts a rich history of practical uses. The wood itself is incredibly dense and hard, making it ideal for carving, engraving, and crafting fine instruments. In the past, boxwood was used to create everything from combs and chess pieces to printing blocks and musical instruments. Even today, it remains a favored material for woodwind instruments like clarinets and oboes. Beyond its utilitarian applications, boxwood has also played a significant role in folklore and tradition. In ancient Greece, boxwood was associated with the goddess Hecate and was believed to offer protection against evil spirits. In some cultures, it symbolizes immortality and resurrection, often planted in cemeteries as a symbol of enduring memory. A gardener's companion. For me, the true allure of boxwood lies in its versatility as a garden plant. Whether used as a formal hedge, a topiary specimen, or a simple foundation planting, boxwood brings a sense of structure and elegance to any landscape. Its evergreen nature provides year-round interest, while its tolerance of pruning allows for creative expression. I've personally experimented with boxwood in various ways in my own garden. I've shaped them into cones and spheres, used them to define pathways, and even incorporated them into container plantings. Their adaptability never ceases to amaze me, and I'm always discovering new ways to showcase their beauty. Facing the challenges. Despite their resilience, boxwood can face challenges, particularly from pests and diseases. Boxwood blight, a fungal disease, has become a growing concern in recent years, causing significant damage to plants. It's crucial for gardeners to be vigilant and take preventative measures to protect their boxwood. In my own experience, I found that proper care and attention can go a long way in preventing problems. Ensuring good air circulation, avoiding overhead watering, and choosing disease-resistant cultivars are essential steps in maintaining healthy boxwood. A timeless treasure. In a world of fleeting trends, boxwood remains a timeless classic. Its enduring appeal lies in its versatility, resilience, and rich history. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice enthusiast, boxwood offers something for everyone. For me, it's a symbol of enduring beauty and a constant source of inspiration in my gardening journey.